Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can make this cool road travel map animation in a very easy way, so stick till the end. And before starting, guys, I am very close to 100 subscribers, so please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel because I will be uploading more videos like this. So let's get started. So here I am in After Effects. You will need this plugin called GeoLayers 3. If you don't see this panel, go to Windows, then Extensions. Here you will see it. Now go to New Project and select the location you want to animate. You can change its settings here. I will change its duration to 10 seconds. Then click on Next. Here you can select Map Style. I will go with this. Now click on Create. As you can see, the quality is not good, so go here and click on this Finalize button to increase quality. Now, here is the main part. Go to your browser, and here search Google My Maps. Go to the first website. Now click on Create a new map. Here you can choose any location in the world, obviously because it's Google's website. I want to make a route from New Delhi to Mumbai, which will go like this. So here you can see Add Direction button, click on it. Here it will ask for the starting and ending locations. So starting location is New Delhi and ending location is Mumbai. Here you can see it made a route. And the best part is that you can even change the route from any point that you want by dragging it. You can change the name for this file from here. Now go here and uncheck this box. Then go to this 3 dots and select Export to KML. Check this second box, then download it. After that, go to After Effects and import that file from this plus icon. And here it shows the route on the preview map. Now go to this pen icon and select Animate Feature Path. Here, set the duration of the animation, like 5 seconds. And it will automatically animate the path. Change its color to white. So it looks like this. You can place the keyframes closer for fast animation. Now to add labels, go to Search Bar and search Delhi. Here, click on this Add Label button. Then increase its size to 150. Repeat this process for another locations and place it there when the line reaches at that location. Now go to Map Comp layer and change the value of pitch and bearing to give it a 3D look. And it's done! You just learned to make 3D route travel map animation in 5 minutes. If you liked this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I am very close to 100 subscribers, so don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.